Hey guys, for today's fine motor activity, we are talking about rectangles, squares, and rhombuses. So you will need a picture of those shapes, some paper, and a writing utensil before we get started. Okay, let's go over our I can statement. I can have control of my hands. For this activity, we're going to draw these shapes and we're going to talk about how the shape is made. So let's start with this shape. Who can tell me what this shape is? Trey, it's a rectangle. It has two long sides and two short sides. They're straight lines and they have four corners. So let's go ahead and draw our rectangle. Two short lines, two long lines, and they're connected at the corners and points. Now look, if I turn the rectangle this way, is it still a rectangle? It is. Now I'm going to draw one that looks that way. Two short lines and two long lines, just like that. Good, that is a rectangle. Now we're going to talk about this shape. Do you know the name of that shape? That's right, it's a square. It has four straight lines, much like the rectangle, but this one are all the same size, the same length. It looks the same no matter which way you turn it. So we're going to draw a square. It has all the same size lines, just like that. Four straight lines and 4 points. Now, this is a new shape, a tricky shape. This shape is called a rhombus. Okay. Now, a rhombus has four straight lines, just like the square does, but that's not the same shape, is it? No, it's not. This one in the rhombus, it has a point that's small and a point that's wide. That makes it a rhombus. And it's a little tricky to draw. Okay, so I'm going to try my best. I'm going to draw a line here. I'm going to come over this way a little bit, and I'm going to draw a line here. And then I'm going to connect them with diagonal lines, just like that. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 straight lines, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 points, just like the square, but it's not a square, it's a rhombus. Now look at this. If I turn it up and down like this, that's a shape we're all familiar with. It looks like a diamond. So let's draw the rhombus now upright like a diamond. A point at the top. Let's see. My other straight line here. Go down this way. Make that a little bit taller and go down this way. Now, it's not perfect, but that's okay. We're all learning. We're all learning to draw our shapes. Okay, so rectangles, squares, and rhombuses all have four straight lines. And they have 4 points. But they are not the same. All right, friends. When you're finished drawing your rectangles, your squares, and your rhombuses, have someone upload a picture to Google Classroom. Thank you.